Today we are going to study about the neuron. What is neuron? Neuron is the nerve cell. The entire nervous system is composed of nerve cells. This is neuron. The structure of neuron is very much important for the board examination. So understand it, try to learn this figure. The entire neuron can be divided into two parts, that is cyton, sometimes known as cell body, and axon. Axon is this long tubular part. Okay, this is axon and this is cyton. The main cell body is filled up with cytoplasm, and here the cytoplasm of the neuron is called neuroplasm. The plasma membrane outside the neuron is called neurolemma. The cell body has finger-like projections outside all around. This is called dendrite. Try to remember that dendrite is the part which connects two neurons. Okay, here dendrite is connected to. This is the separate figure, na? The dendrite of one neuron is connected to the synaptic terminal of the next neuron. These all dot-like structures are called synaptic knobs or synaptic terminals. So the synaptic knob of one neuron is connected with the dendrite of the next neuron. In this way, they can transport the messages or transport the impulses. Inside the neuroplasm, there are Nissl granules. These are nucleus. Here, Nissl fibers are also found. The longer tubular part is called axon. Axon may be sheathed or may not be sheathed. But when it is sheathed, this is called Schwann sheath. It has also separate nucleus, that is Schwann nucleus. Sometimes it is also called Schwann cells. The gap between two Schwann sheath is called nodes of Ranvier. Thereafter, the terminal endings is called synaptic terminal, and thereafter it is the knob-like structure at the synaptic terminal is called synaptic knobs. The path of transportation of impulses is always from dendrite. Always the messages or impulses pass through. First of all, they come in a neuron through the dendrite, then in the nuclear part of the cyton. From dendrite, it passes to cyton. From cyton, it passes to Nissl fibrils, and then Nissl fibrils, it passes through the axon, and axon will terminate into synaptic terminal, and then from the synaptic terminal, it jumps to the next neuron. So here two important points I would like to discuss with you. The first is structure of neuron. The next, the path of transportation of neural impulse. So once again I would like to repeat. The path of neural impulse is first dendrite, second cyton, third axon, then fourth synaptic terminal, and then synaptic knob 5, and then from the synaptic knob it will jump to the next neuron. Thank you.